Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to cook baked macaroni. And here's our ingredients. First, we have the minced beef, which is about 500 grams. Del Monte creamy and cheese spaghetti sauce, 500 grams. And then elbow macaroni, carrots, bell pepper, garlic, onion, and then butter and condensed. This one is just optional. If you don't have here, you can use banana ketchup or sugar. Pampatamis lang naman siya. And then we have also basil, paprika, optional, and then of course salt and pepper. And then this one is Knorr cubes, beef Knorr cubes. Okay, we can start now. The first step, we will cook first this elbow macaroni. This one. This is 500 grams, and then we will cook this according to the instruction of our pasta. Because, guys, minsan mas follow nyo dapat ang nakalagay dito sa ating biniling pasta kasi iba-iba sila. It depends sa sabi ng manufacturer. So this one, we will cook for about 10 minutes. Kapag kumulo na ang ating water mamaya, ilalagay natin siya. Kapag boil na ang ating water, pwede na natin ilagay ang ating macaroni. And then let's put oil. Actually, dapat mas nauna ang oil. And then salt. See, hindi siya na-overcook. So, i-drain na natin muna siya. Now, we're going to do the sauce. Let's heat the pan first. Pwede na natin ilagay ang ating butter. Let's put the onion. Garlic. We can put our meat. Let's add salt. And pepper. Let's add also Knorr beef cubes. Tanawin lang natin siya. Nag-turn na ng brown ang ating mga meat. Pwede na natin ilagay ang ating creamy and cheesy spaghetti sauce. Wow! Cheesy nga siya. And let's mix. And now we can add our chopped carrots. Chopped red bell pepper. also the paprika. This one. This one tastes like red bell pepper. Medyo konti ang red bell pepper namin, kaya naglagay kami ng paprika. And then, we will add now cheese. Grated cheese. We will add condensed. This one, dapat hinay-hinay lang sa pagbungos kasi matapang na yung pagiging sugary niya. Nag-start ako sa small amount. And we're almost done. Lalagay na lang natin ang ating basil. And we're done sa sauce. And for our white sauce, we have the cheese, grated cheese. If you have even quick melt, it's okay kasi mas mabilis siya mag-melt. Pero kung wala kayo nun, you can grate the cheese naman para mas mabilis pa rin siya mag-melt. Then we have here the milk, evaporated milk, or you can also try fresh milk. This one is about half cup. And then condensed, all-purpose flour, and butter. Heated pan na the butter. Tunawin lang natin siya. And then we can add now our all-purpose flour. This is 1 tablespoon flour. Tutunawin natin siya dito. Make sure na matunaw natin siya ng maayos. Mag-medium heat lang tayo para hindi masunog ang ating butter. Our milk. Then let's just mix them. And now we can add the cheese. Ayan guys, tunaw na ang ating cheese. See? We can add our condensed. Hinay-hinay lang ulit guys sa condensed kasi nga super tamis siya. And it depends siya kung ganong katamis ang gusto nyo lang. And then we can add also just a pinch of salt. Pepper, konti lang. We're done! Ready na ang ating white sauce. And now, we're ready to do the plating. We already have this pasta, our red sauce, and white sauce. Let's do the plating.